See them man. One bag full of mango. Skelly and thyme. Oh my God, man.
Melon, look over this.
See that man when you come at St. Elizabeth, on your way to Alligator Pond. Don't pass him. Blender name, don't pass him. I one of the best man down here, I tell you. Respect Joe. That man are God bless. See mango tree the way man send me. I dry up. Look there. Full up. Real soldier man, a big man bone drum this. Man I take care of me when me there at Jamaica. Good man. You there? Mango tree. Yeah man. Nice place, you know? Yeah. See the beach over there, so see the sea there. Alright, see the sea there right there, so. Yeah man, I see that. Yeah, look pan over there, so. No? Wally Pascal and oh God. On time. Man. Huh? Huh? Yeah man, I buy melon. Yeah. Like sweet pepper. The dragon, you hear? Man has a company on produce. You know? Nice machine, me about drive here to use it. Honda machine are nice. You know? Yeah. Man road big. Big man road, big at Jamaica, man, I know, you know? Yeah. Holy blessing the for me, you see me? Madala pray for me yesterday and wash everything cut and clear off of me, so me good. Blessing a flow for me, so my blessing the for me today. Me come to buy a dozen mango from the man and the man give me three, look there. From the mango tree where man send me. Eh? Oh God, man. Breadfruit, coconut, everything. See up in Manchester Hill there. And with that St. Elizabeth, you know. Son, my brother, my best friend. All are we there. Up in a Monroe. Place named Monroe, that's what I see up there. Yeah, zoom in a little bit. This is a trip in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, you know. Don't know. Nice place, Kellyan bed. This is a nice Kellyan bed, Kellyan farm. Yeah. Nice. Down in the Alligator Pond water, we are looking at that blue part there. Zoom up it. Yeah. For the water, you look pan over the tree there, so. Yeah, man. Nice trip to St. Elizabeth was really nice today. Yeah. May 29, 2022. You know? St. Elizabeth trip to Jamaica. After the pandemic, we ought to do again. Alright? So until then, when we reach Manchester, we are going to do another video. Show you how we reach with my family them after, you know. St. Elizabeth thing. Out now.